keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning students. Subject I.C.T. Topic inserting rows, columns and cells in MS Excel. Standard 6th and 7th by Kriti Chauhan. In the last video, we learned about copying and moving the data from one place to the another place in MS Excel. There were many different ways we have learned to copy and move the data in different locations. In this video, we will learn how to insert a column, row and a cells between already existing data. Now here in the slide you can see the image of insert icon, and once you click on the insert icon, the drop down list will have three main options: insert cell, insert sheet row and insert sheet column. Insert sheet row explains how to insert a row between the already existing data. Insert sheet column explains how to insert a column between two existing columns, and third is insert cells, that is how to insert the cell or cells between two existing cell. Now at times we may want to enter some new data between an existing range of rows or columns. So do we need to cut and paste all the text to the next line or the column to achieve our target? No. We can simply insert a row, column or cell to add data in an existing text. Now the first thing we will learn is how to insert row. We may want to insert a row in our existing worksheet to add information. So let us start how to insert. Let us know the steps to follow while inserting a row in an Excel. First, select the row above which we want to add a new row. Now to select a row, click the row number in an MS Excel. Second, on the Home tab from the Cells group, click the arrow below the Insert icon. Third step, click the Insert Sheet Row option. Fourth, a new row is inserted in a worksheet. Now these are the steps to insert a row using an Insert icon on the Home tab from the Cells group. Now let us understand about inserting the column in MS Excel. It is just like to insert a column is just like inserting a row. Now we can insert a row, so same way we can insert a new column in a worksheet. For this we need to follow the steps as shown here. First, select the column next to which we want to add a new column. By default, the new column is added to the right of the selected row. Next is step number 2. On the Home tab from the Cells group, click the row below the Insert icon. And the third step, select the Insert Sheet Columns option. A new column is inserted in the worksheet. Now the alternative method to insert a row or a column between the two existing rows or columns, there is an alternative method. That is, the step number 2 and 3 of the inserting row and column can be skipped by clicking the right click to the selected column and selected column or row and click insert. This option will insert a column or a row respectively. Now the final thing we will learn is how to insert a cell. At times, we may want to insert a single cell instead of entire row or column. So, we need only single cell to be edited and need to be insert. So, in this case, we have to follow the following steps. Select the cell next to which we want to add a new cell. Then on a home tab from the cells group, click the arrow below the insert icon. Select the insert cell option. The insert dialog box appears. And select any one of the option, that is shift cell right, shift cell down, entire row or entire column. From these options you can select any one and then a new cell will be inserted. Now these insert dialog box has the following option. Now these options have some specific descriptions. Let us understand those descriptions. Shift cell right. This option will move the selected cell to the right and insert a blank cell. Shift cell down moves the selected cell down and insert blank cell. And the last one, entire row, moves the selected row and insert a new row. And this last one, entire column, moves the selected column and insert new column. Now after selecting one of these options, the select and then click OK, a new cell will be added in a required place. Students, these are very important topics to insert a row or column or cell in an MS Excel.